Guys, good morning. How are you doing? Today is on Thursday. We are moving today. It's around 8 and Alpha movers are already here. You guys, I didn't think they would be here that early. When they said that they would come at 8, I didn't think they would keep time like that. Anyway, let me show you how the house looks and then we start moving. So this is the situation of the living room. Of course, we have everything everywhere because we are moving. That is how it looks, and we are also carrying the lights. We will be carrying this one, and then coming this side to the kitchen. This is the situation. This is the situation. We have removed these ones because we will be putting them back. These ones are the ones that we found here, and then we have cooking pot. We have other things over there. So that's the kitchen, and then that is the dining, and that is a shoe basket. We will be carrying this light as well. We will be returning the ones that we found here. And then my dear mirror, we will be carrying it as well. Then we have this console. The bathrooms, I think I showed you that yesterday. And then coming to the bedroom, these are dirty clothes. All of these. I haven't done laundry in a minute. So we will be carrying this. They've gone to get the boxes, so yeah, that is why they're not here. And then I had packed some of the things. They require you to pack your documents, but I packed some intimates as well, so that is why we have this. And that is the situation. We will be carrying this one as well. When I came here, I had found, what are they called? Not cutting rods, like the wooden ones, but I won't be restoring them because I don't have them, and the landlord is okay with this, so I will leave the rods. So that's that. And then on this other bathroom, we are removing this. Yeah, we will be removing this. These ones were from DIY with Caroline. I also installed these ones, but I don't see the need of removing them, so I will be leaving them. So yeah, that's that.
Hit you up 9:30. Say let's go for a ride. City lights in the sky. Top down, close my eyes. We got no place to be. Driving around aimlessly, thinking about the past, and now leave the stress, let's clear the clouds. This to my left, this to my right. In VIP, getting lost for the night. No more bottles left to go around. It's gonna stay now, shout out to the real ones. This to my left, this to my right. In VIP, getting lost for the night. No more bottles left to go around. It's gonna stay now, shout out to the real ones. Wanna get away, yeah. Wanna get away now. Wanna get.
Yani, I'm just seated here doing nothing, like somebody who's not even moving. Honestly, you guys, if you can, hire movers when moving, because there is no need for suffering, right? And also, why do the heavy lifting when it can be done for you? My only worry today is a welder. He was supposed to be here by 9. It's almost 10. He's not here. He wasn't picking my calls, and then when he called, he said that he will be here in an hour. I honestly don't know what to do. He's supposed to come remove the kitchen door so that we can be able to take the washing machine from there, because when we installed it, we had to remove the door, like we had to cut it out for the washing machine to enter, so we have to do the same to take it out. I'm hoping that will go well. Otherwise, everything else is going nice with Alpha movers. I am loving them. Thank you guys for plugging them. I had asked about movers on my Instagram page and they came highly recommended, so I went with that option. And also their prices are very fair, very fair. I know that because I had asked a couple of movers, so I know their prices are good. So yeah, so far so good, but I will tell you all about the whole experience because things can change really quick. Anyway, they are doing a good job. They are honestly doing a good job. I love how they are taking care of my delicates, my vases, my glasses. I will wait and see whether they will get to the other house in one piece, but I am very hopeful. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's see whether the welder will come. Fingers crossed.
Take a look into the mirror, following your heart, but the silence to the fear. And you deserve it, you deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go, now your seeds can grow. Imagine that, you deserve it, you deserve it now. Hey.
It's barely 12 and we are almost done here. I love that. At least we can rest today. So I am thinking they would be done by 3. Turn of the room. I took my beautiful light. I have found a guy to patch those holes up and any other holes like where we had mounted the TV, and the house is, that is the size of the house. Of course it's dirty because we are moving, but they will also be cleaning because I wouldn't want to leave it in this condition. But that is like an empty house to our right. And then this was the master bathroom. By the way, this is the stuff that he's using to patch the holes up. I don't know what it is, but that's it. I have left those. I didn't see the need of removing them. And then you see, you can't even tell like something was mounted there. That is where the shelves were. So yeah, that's that. This other room was the office. Of course, dirty, dusty. But I'm not going to be painting the house. I will leave it as it is because either way, they will still cut the deposit money from the deposit, the paint money from the deposit, and then this one we are giving it out, so we've left it there. That was the second bedroom. And then this was the other bathroom. Yeah, it's dirty but it will be clean. I have left that. I don't carry toilet brushes with me, so yeah, I would rather get a new one. So that's that. This was like a hallway. This is where the buffet console was. And then this was the dining area. This was the dining area. They will remove that nail and patch those holes up. And something that I don't like is the fact that I have left all these tokens, you guys. I wish there was a way of transferring them, but there isn't. These are a lot of tokens to me. It's all good. So we had another mirror over here, and then that was the living room. I'm not carrying the rods because I lost the boxes, but the landlord is very okay with that. Anyway, why wouldn't he? These are rods and those were boxes anyway. He has already patched here, and as you can see, when this dries, you can't even tell like there was anything mounted there. This is where the TV was mounted, and that's about that. So after painting, they won't even tell. And then this is the kitchen. I'm not carrying mitungis because we have water in the other house. I'm not carrying the mop. And I loved the fact that this house had enough storage. We will have to replace this light because we broke it. They will take that from the deposit or just tell us to replace. And then we had to remove the door for the machine to get out, but we were able to do that. So, and we brought a welder to put it back, so he will paint over there. And then they are yet to take the gas, and that's that. These ones I'm not carrying. I have given them away as well. That I will definitely see you in the other house. Let's go.
I'm still loyal. I'll hold it down for you, ain't a thing change. Yeah, I'm still loyal. I'll ride for you, and you do the same thing. Yeah, I'm still loyal. I'll hold it down for you, ain't a thing change. I'm still loyal. I'll ride for you.
So the movers just left, and you guys, it's cold. It looks like it's going to rain, but we are settled here. The movers did an amazing job. Thank you guys for plugging me with them. I had asked on my Instagram page, and then I went with the guys who were most plugged, so I loved their job. They have done everything. Like, we are settled here, we can even make dinner here today, but I don't feel like it, so I want us to go grab dinner and also get some essentials. Like, I want to clean the toilets, because especially the common one, because we had a lot of movement today, in and out. We had fundis coming over, we had the movers, and they were using that toilet, so it can't sleep like that. And also the floors, because you can't tell them to remove shoes. Zen Fresh did an amazing job, so the only thing that I'm going to be doing is wipe the floors. I don't feel like doing it, but I have to do it, because if I don't do it today, I don't know, so I have to do it. So I will go grab dinner, and then when I come back, we will just be cleaning the floors. But they did everything. Like, the frames are mounted, and the lights are mounted as well. The lights are fixed, mirrors, everything. Like, we are settled in this house, sorry. And as you can see, they arranged everything, including the kitchen cabinet. And they also made our bed, so we are settled in this house. After I come back clean, the only thing that I will be doing is sleeping, because our bed is made as well. I love them. I loved their work. They are amazing. So I will see you later. I will go grab dinner and then come back, clean the floors. I will do that with you and then clean the toilet, and then after that we can call this a vlog. I don't want to show you how the house looks. There is a lot that needs to be done in this house, but you will see it in the coming videos. So I am thinking of giving you like a house tour before makeover, because that will make a lot of sense. If I start showing you now, this video will be 2 hours. So yeah, so I will give you a house tour before makeover, and then we can start on the makeover. So let's head out. Went to Akaloko for dinner, ate, came back home and cleaned, and forgot that I was to film for you guys. So I will definitely see you in my next one, probably the house tour before makeover. Bye.